So let's start the discussion. What is a clutch? In earlier class we have covered what is a shaft, what is a key, what is a spring, and what is a power screw. So come to the what is a clutch. Clutch is a mechanical device which is used to connect or disconnect the source of a power from the remaining parts of the power transmission system at the will of the operator. Means is a disconnecting or connecting device, mechanical device, and connection and disconnection depend on the will of the will of the operator. An automotive clutch can permit the engine to run without driving the car. This is desirable when the engine is to be start or stopped, or when the gears are to be shifted. So there is a four type of a clutch, mainly: positive contact clutch, friction clutch, electromagnetic clutch, and fluid clutch and coupling. We have covered what is a coupling in earlier class. So first come to, this is a uh, diagram of a clutch, how the arrangement of a setup looks like. So come to the friction clutch. This is the second type of clutch. In these clutch, power transmission is achieved by means of a friction between contacting surface. uh, in this process, friction is used to transfer the power. This is a driving shaft. This is a driving shaft, and this is a driven shaft. In this clutch, power transmission is achieved by means of a friction between contacting surface. This is a friction lining between driving shaft and driven shaft. So come to the some advantage of a friction clutch. The engagement is smooth. Slip occurs during engaging operation, and once the clutch is engaged, there is no slip between the contacting surface. Means during engaging there is some slip occurs. In certain cases, the friction served as a safety device. In slip, when the torque transmitted through it exceeds a safe value, this permits the breakage of the parts in the transmission chain. There are some design consideration. What is a design consideration? Because subject is a machine design, so we have to study about what is a design consideration. Selection of a proper type of clutch that is suitable for the given application. Selection of a suitable friction material at the contacting surface. Means we have to select the friction material. Which type of friction material used in a contacting surface. Design of the clutch for sufficient torque capacity. Engaging and disengaging should be without shock or jerk. Jerk is a rate of change of acceleration. This is a without shock or a jerk. Provision for holding the contacting surface together by the clutch itself and without any external assistance. Low weight or rotating parts to reduce inertia forces, particularly in high speed applications. Provision for taking or compensating wear of rubbing surface. Provision of carrying away the heat generated at the rubbing surfaces. So come to the what type of material for friction surface. This is a maybe ideal condition. It should have a high coefficient of friction. Coefficient of friction should remain constant over the entire range of temperature incurred in application. Means if temperature is coefficient of friction remains constant over entire range of time, which is real is not possible. Means this is the ideal condition, but we try to achieve these conditions as possible as. It should have good thermal conductivity. It should remain unaffected by environment conditions like moisture or dirt particle, because they every time there is some Dirt particle. Moisture is also present, but dirt particle is everywhere. It should have a high resistance to abrasive and adhesive wear. Adhesive wear. Adhesive wear means uh, it should have a good resilience to provide. It should have a good resilience